The sweetest sound to anyone isn't music, it's their own name. There's a reason for that. When you use someone's name in conversation, their brain lights up with attention and personal relevance. It signals recognition, importance, identity. Instead of saying, "Can you send that?" say, "Soma, can you send that?" That tiny shift makes the interaction feel direct and intentional. Studies show people respond faster and feel more connected when they hear their own name. But here's the key: use it naturally, not excessively, or it feels manipulative. A person's name is tied to their sense of self, and when you acknowledge it, they subconsciously feel seen. Subscribe for more short psychology insights that change how you understand people.